computer from scratch and learn how to fix them for everyone else. Heads up, all products featured here are selected by Mashable's commerce team and meet our rigorous standards for awesomeness. If you buy something, Mashable may earn an affiliate commission. A lot has changed since Charles Babbage first conceptualized the computer in the early 19th century. Not only can you buy them at the ready, they have tons of features like video chatting, retina screens and, of course, access to the internet. Though the computer industry is constantly evolving to be bigger, better, and more innovative, there's something really nice about going back to the basics. And if you want to kick it really old school by making your own computer, there's a series of courses that are here to help. See also, 9 gift ideas for the science geek in your life. The How to Build a Computer bundle of online classes comprises 5 courses that walk you through physically building a PC, making advanced tweaks to your hardware, and hooking up an Ethernet cable. Maybe you don't want to build a computer from scratch, but you have an older model that's on the fritz. In that case, have a look at the last 2 courses, which will teach you how to find potential in an older model and upgrade it, think improving speed, memory, and its cooling mechanisms. In total, the courses are 4 hours long, so you can theoretically watch them on your way to and from the office and know how to make your own computer by bedtime. The bundle is valued at $375, but for a limited time only, it can be yours for under $20. Plus, you have lifetime access to each course, so you can reap the financial benefits now and build, or fix, a computer later. Image, Pixels. Learn to build your own computer for less than $20. See details.